Guys, on Crafts here. Today we're down here in my garden, down here by my rabbit pen. I got pickling cucumbers planted here. Those are eggplants, and I had 12 lettuce plants here. Some of them got well, they just were rotten when I picked some lettuce off, and they were rotten inside. So today I'm gonna pick the rest of these. Some are for eating and some are for the rabbits. All right, first I'm gonna pick any pickling cucumbers that are big enough, and I just picked all the big ones the other day, and you can see there's 2 in there. Guys, get a couple pickling cucumbers. Yeah, that is a lot. Those all came out of just here, and I've already made dill pickles once. One thing's for sure, they did get pollinated, the bees over there. Okay guys, this is the head of lettuce I actually did just cut that I was going to take up for people to eat. I changed my mind, there's a better head over there for people to eat, so the rabbits can get this head, and they're just loving it. There's 5 more in there. Oh, here they come. They all have snacks. Well, that will be a good eating head of lettuce. This one's for my other rabbits. And this one's for rabbits too. See, that one's rotten. That's what happened to the other ones. Alright guys, I moved all my pickle vines over to that side. Got my 2 rows all clear. Moved all my pickles there, my lettuce there. Now I'm going to use my Brainly 1-furrow plow behind the Roper 20T. And I'm going to plow this little piece here. Pickles in, all the rabbits lettuce in, I had a lettuce on top. Alright, for any of you guys who were wondering how I'm lifting my plow, I got my 3,000-pound winch on here, just bolted the original back plate there. This is a Brainly 1-point hitch, goes on there. Those holes were already in this chassis. The plow just goes on there, and the winch goes up and down. That's about as simple as it is. Alright, now I'm going to take all this food up to the rabbits, and I'm going to get my tiller. Guys, brought the rest of the lettuce up for these rabbits. They were just eating it, but as soon as I turn the camera off, they're not. Oh, there's Bun Bun. I had a lettuce put into the fridge. Alright, I got all my cucumbers down in the basement. Some of these cucumbers were already here, like that one. There's a few like that one. And that one that are no gut. And this is just where I'm keeping the cucumbers. And also a massive yellow zucchini down here in the basement. Right now I gotta go take my plow off my tractor and get my tiller. Guys, the next day, as you guys might be able to tell, the soil was all dry, looking like that. I brought my tiller down in my trailer, and my tractor, my trailer, and I just tilled where I plowed yesterday, and it is really good soil. It was almost over the tines on my tiller. It's probably like 9 inches up those tines. And after I tilled it, I pulled a couple of weeds in there, and I put the cucumbers vines back where I thought they went, but I can't remember. Something down there doesn't look right, but anyway, I'm going to put my fence posts up now, and I'm going to go over and look at the rabbits. Alright guys, here's my field that I just plowed and disked the other day. See my video? Rabbit pen's right over there, so you come right over here. This is my piece I plowed and disked for plant strawberries in. It's 100 by 30. Next year, I'm going to be planting some strawberries in the spring. I'm going to fence it, put a fencer, electric fence around it, the fencer. And I'm thinking about letting my 2 geese I'm getting next year go in here to weed the strawberries. Let me know in the comments if that's a good idea. Alright guys, here's the entrance to my little field. There's the strawberries. There's my little field in here. Cleared this out the other day. Let me know in the comments what I should do with this little field. Just really cleared it in the intent of someday we'd have cows and goats or whatever, that this would be pasture in here, because there's a whole bunch more alders and stuff that you can clear. This would be good pasture in here. But I just really got to start on it, and this is what I got done, and this is what I want to leave it at for now. And yeah, it's just a little field, and I'm not really sure what to do with it for right now. Guys, just leaving my field and take my tractor. I'm going to take it home now, plug into my water trailer, and I'm going to spray some water on these cucumbers and eggplants. I also thought I'd show you this old Ford hay rake I'm working on. It's a pretty good old rake, except there's a pin that sheared off in there, so I gotta take the gearbox off so my dad can make me a new pin. I got it all loosened up there, all these bolts broken off here, and on the front here, there's a pin there that's seized on there, so I've just been soaking that with oil. But yeah, I thought I'd show you guys the rake I've been working, or that rake I've been working on. Also got another cucumber in my garden. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them all.